In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how you can earn Tron daily. Pay directly and instantly to your own Tron wallet. Just like thousands of people around the world, introducing the world's first 100% decentralized crowdfund platform programmed on a Tron smart contract called Tron, where 100% of the income goes directly and transparently to the members of the platform with zero risk. Tron is genius and lucrative crowdfund platform programmed on the Tron blockchain with revolutionary smart contract technology that executes the program automatically in a decentralized way, so no admins are needed to run the platform. It's impossible for the platform creators or anyone to change the code and execution of the smart contract. This ensures that the crowdfund platform will keep running and there is zero risk or possibility of hacking into the smart contract or stopping the project. Unlike centralized cryptocurrency projects, the founders of Tron never take or store members' cryptocurrency in any centralized location. So it's completely secure. 100% of all Tron payments are sent instantly and directly to the members of Tron and stored in their personal Tron wallets, which they control with private keys. You can easily verify all of the transactions on the Tron blockchain as the platform is fully transparent. Right now, over 500 people are joining the Tron crowdfund platform worldwide. Every single day with Tron's decentralized crowdfund platform, you can get started with as little as 100 Tron, and the income potential is literally unlimited. Tron has helped thousands of people earn Tron, and some have earned millions of Tron in their first 3 to 8 weeks of getting started. Tron has one program, the Autopilot X. In the Autopilot X program, you have 14 places on 3 lines, 2 in the first line, 4 places in the second line, and 8 in the third. When you register with Tron, the first slot of Autopilot X costs 100 TRX. All partners in your slots of the Tron Autopilot program. When you invite partners, they take places under you, distribution of payments. When filling out the slots automatically occurs as follows for Tron Autopilot. You get 50% of the direct referrals from the first line. You get 10% from the second line. You get 15% from each of the 4 places. And from the third line, you get 25% from 8 places. Thus, the total yield is 200 and 80% from one circle of the matrix, of which 100% is used for automatic repeat. So last 4 payments from third line, 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25% are used for repeat. In Tron Autopilot X, the order of cost by slot is the first one costs 100 Trons, the second one costs 200, and then up to 8th slot, there is simply a doubling, and from the 9th, the most interesting level begins, revealing the possibilities of the Tron crowdfund platform. How many slots can be activated immediately? As much as you want, they have no expiration date, so you can't be afraid that they will burn all. Active slots move and bring you revenue in parallel. There is a system in place that incentivizes members to upgrade to higher slots in the platform from the profits they already made. Otherwise, they can lose profit while you can earn extra profits. You can start with the first slot. However, just starting with one slot could lead you to lose contributions. If your structure develops quickly, it's recommended to activate at least the first 3 slots at the start. This ensures good initial results. The most successful partner use strategies for starting from several slots at once. They set such an example themselves, and the partners do the same as a result. Their turnovers grow faster. Many start from 6 slots at once, some even from 9 slots or more. And if you want to earn a lot of Tron, then you need to put in the effort. Welcome to Tron, the first ever 100% decentralized crowdfunding platform.